Nah.
All that shit out.
Who the motherfucker? Randy. What up? Hold on.
All right, so you didn't go all. Hey, press for the boys.
Shit. That motherfucker. They gonna tell you what he said, but
No, you talking about my back.
I said, man, turn around so fast, get in the picture. He said, you're already in the picture. He's the backdrop. That motherfucking crazy. God damn. Damn, hearing them boys over there. I got it. That's video. I got you. I got some video. Do what you do.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
2 gray-faced motherfuckers and 1 black baby.